the next street.
Defend you!
Obtained by order of the Viceroy. Roger, roger.
Clear out those droids so we can move to the next street.
Back off. I'm warning you. Squad leader, all battle droids in the next sector have been removed.
Good job, Obi-Wan. We're moving ahead to the next courtyard. The area ahead is still occupied by droids.
I saw something. What you're told. Something. Get him.
Squad leader, I've cleared the way to the Resistance. Now's your chance to escape.
Excellent, Obi-Wan. We're gonna move along now.
Squad leader Naboo 1 requesting access to the south entrance. Asha, the Jedi has freed us.
Obi-Wan, this way! Thank you for rescuing our pilots. But we now have a bigger threat to deal with. Come with me. I'll tell you on the way.